I'm Josh Moffat, and I'm the lead product designer for Globus Group. Alpha Solway has a really strong heritage in providing PP solutions as part of Globus Group. Reusable respirators have been around for quite some time. There's quite a lot of well-established products in that space. For a lot of those products and the users that have to wear those products day to day, they face quite a lot of challenges insofar as the products aren't easy to don, they're not easy to doff. Some of them are heavy, they're cumbersome. Some of them aren't really designed explicitly for maintenance. Some of them aren't designed to be the most highly breathable products they can be. So for us as Globus Group, that gave us a challenge to go and create something new, unique and different to bring into the reusable respirator space. All the PP solutions that we provide, it's important that they're all really high quality, really high performing. And when we look at a respirator and making sure that they're really high performing, we break that down in a few different ways. The first way we do that is making sure that product is intuitive. We want to make sure that every time a new user picks up one of our products, they can understand the way they need to use it, the way they need to don it and doff it instinctively with minimal instruction. The second way that we do this is making sure that they're really considered. When a user picks up one of our respirators, we want to make sure that they feel and can sense the consideration that we put into every single design detail, because we want to make sure that they feel like we're looking after them and we're considering their needs as users. It's also important for us that our users feel the atmosphere that we build into a product. We only get one chance to make a first impression, and it's really important to us that all the care, attention, design detail and the atmosphere around confidence that we want to build into a product is felt by a user. We built in that confidence through taking ideas from the natural world, looking at animals where confidence, the idea of understated power was really prominent, but also ideas from areas where user confidence was really important too. Everything from space exploration to adventure sports. The last aspect is making sure that our products are highly capable. So everything that we do, every decision we make, everything that we consider is focused on making sure that that product is the most highly capable respirator. We want our users to feel confident when they put one of our products on, but we want to make sure that they feel empowered. When we look at a reusable respirator in part of the development, there are three different aspects that we focus on. The first aspect of making sure that a respirator is really high performing and highly capable is the fit factor. With Alpha Sentinel, we've built in facial geometry, which is based on anthropometric data, but everything from the sizing structure to the way the harness systems work really work together to make sure that that fit factor aspect of the product is really optimized. So the second aspect of making sure a respirator is really high performing is making sure the user experience is really highly optimized. The way we do that across our respirators is making sure that the weight distribution is really well placed. For the full face mask, we've got a really low profile fenestra, and across both masks, we swept the position of the filters really far back, so the weight is distributed much closer to the user, reducing the outboard weight for the product system. Another key aspect of optimizing the user experience is the breathability of a respirator. Everything from the sizing of our inhale and exhale ports to the structure that the valves sit on is enhanced to make sure that airflow is as streamlined as possible. A third key aspect is making sure that they're easy to don, easy to doff, and easy to adjust. We've done that through two low-profile harness systems, each of which have got individually adjustable harness points, making sure that users can really put them on easily, take them off easily, and adjust them. Another aspect is making sure they can be maintained really easily. So everything from taking a respirator apart to replacing the components to putting them back together again has been done so in a way which makes sure that that respirator can be maintained as best as possible. A respirator system is only as good as the filters that go with them. So with Alpha Sentinel, what we try to do is provide a wide range of filters that can tackle most industrial hazards. We've got two different kinds of particulate filter and three different types of gas and vapor filter, which cover organic, inorganic and vapor-based hazards. We've also got a combination filter as well, which is the most versatile filter in the range. If you take our filters and the versatility of the filter we've designed with the high-performing aspect of our respirators, we're providing a really strong, high-performing, comfortable respirator system. A key part of what we do at Globus Group is UK manufacturing. So for Alpha Sentinel and the project, it was really, really important to us that we designed, developed and manufactured in the UK. Countless prototypes, 9 different rounds of testing, 34 different mold tools, a huge team of engineers. We've got 6 production machines across 4 different production lines. So for us, that's a huge journey. We started off with a true market need. We've taken it from concept all the way through design development and into manufacture. And that project has touched every single aspect of our business. The result of all that work is Alpha Sentinel, a product range which we're incredibly proud of.